As 2025 approaches, Fleetwood RV introduces its latest Bounder 35K motorhome, which is being hailed as the best couples motorhome. However, this description doesn't quite capture the full scope of this massive vehicle, which is more than capable of accommodating an entire family. Fleetwood RV, a well-established name in American motorhomes since 1950, has crafted the Bounder as a versatile and luxurious Class A motorhome. The 2025 Bounder 35K, a flagship model, features a substantial price tag, with an MSRP of around $258,000. However, with dealership discounts, you can expect to pay closer to $207,000 for this spacious home on wheels. Powering the Bounder is a Ford 7.3L V8 engine, delivering 335 horsepower to move this 30,000-pound behemoth. It features a full suite of Ford's advanced safety technology and a digital dashboard to make long journeys as safe as they are comfortable. The Bounder stretches just under 39 feet in length, providing ample space for both living and storage, all wrapped in Fleetwood's four-season, weather-resistant construction. One of the Bounder's standout features is its exterior, which includes an outdoor entertainment center, a powerful 8,000-pound hitch, and extensive storage options. The storage compartments are so vast that it's jokingly suggested you might need to be a hoarder to fill them. The RV also includes practical features like side mirror cameras, a roof access ladder, and solar power capabilities, ensuring it's as functional as it is luxurious. Inside, the Bounder truly shines. It features a sophisticated interior that expands thanks to slide-outs, creating space for up to 6 people. The living area is equipped with a hideaway loft on an electronic lift system, a dinette that converts into a bed, and a rear bedroom with a queen-sized mattress. The Bounder also includes a large galley with a family-sized fridge, a split bathroom layout, and even a washer/dryer. The interior design is focused on providing comfort and convenience, making it perfect for both couples and families. The Bounder is more than just a motorhome, it's a mobile luxury apartment designed to keep you comfortable wherever the road may take you. If you're intrigued by the Bounder, consider visiting a dealership to experience it firsthand. With its blend of luxury, space, and functionality, the 2025 Bounder might just be the perfect motorhome for your next adventure. But be prepared, this level of comfort and convenience comes at a price, so make sure to bring your checkbook if you're ready to invest in what might be the best motorhome for couples and families alike.